My first experience or hearing of Pure Spectrum was actually in 2018. And, looking back, you think, oh, you're kind of a little bit like it's CBD. I'm not really sure if I can take it, if it's legal, like I'm going to get, because we get drug tested all the time as elite athletes. But then kind of watching the 2018 games, I realized, well, if Pure Spectrum is a partner at the 2018 games, then obviously their product has been vetted by the CrossFit Games, therefore I can most certainly take it. And it was kind of eye-opening to me, and so that's kind of the main reason why when I decided to start looking into CBD, that was the company I started with because I knew I was going to be safe. So fast forward a couple years, and in 2019, I've always had somewhat kind of like inflammation in my knees. And so I kind of did some research, okay, how can I help with inflammation in my knees? What's one way of attacking this and fixing this? And I stumbled upon a lot of articles about CBD helping inflammation. And so then going back and realizing, okay, in 2018, Pure Spectrum sponsored the games, therefore I know their products are obviously legal to take for my sport. I decided to reach out and I actually purchased some products and said, I'm going to take this first. And then it wasn't until probably right before the 2019 games that I started working and partnered up with Pure Spectrum. So the benefits that I found from using CBD, especially in the CrossFit realm, considering the load we put on our bodies, the amount of attack we put on our joints and all this good stuff, is the inflammation is sometimes hard to work with. And so for me, working with Pure Spectrum was a no-brainer considering the inflammation that it allows me to keep away and allows me to protect my joints.